Ayalama bongun kotoma gwelanar kangin kwa na IYEMUTO iche. Lwa FDC kona jana nkumbi kesi ekoto salemara lungita jauto parliament kotupitete nwe balas kese be subiti bala imame taina peta nwe chaete kanwa lungita jauto parliament. President le pate ngisi enyara unit aurianete moi kanwa limor akirongon. Ay rotan kosi jaliat namuaya kaidules.
Imeban Luairabet luitepekito sapugan alungita jauta irabet kesi alomasi osabiti loiwangonet MPs kese engurianete bem apugan nesabili bila federation witunga neda eja kwana itunga lu ebalasi kesi mam etakanete tonikope kwana ipudasi apugana iti chau nejasi tunga ngulu ilipitos itobo ikesadieket aredia karitos. Raban lo epate loka FDC epate dangon lo itepekita pugan John Kikonyogo ngesi lolo ali morebem eralem kesida lo elungito sa jauta erabet konye kwana minasi ajula omishokech.
Well, that's why the opposition we are going to continue. Are you going to continue up to the end of this term for 2.5 years? Aren't you going to get some disagreements amongst yourselves, you, after about 4 months from today? This is what some of the things we have to ask ourselves. You are leading everybody, but have you brought them to realization of the task ahead of it? Israel is fighting, but Qatar is there to help them get some of the prisoners exchanged. What do we do as FDC? As opposition today? I'm appealing to my brother, who happens to be my son from the other angle, the leader of opposition, to stop that talk that so-and-so is not supporting us. So-and-so is maybe on the other side. You concentrate on those who are fighting with you and finish the task. There's no war in the world where the people you start with the war, all of you finish within the war. Some of them get off the track.
Kikonyogo la kada kiti kanu mpunga abu itarana ngesi kanu ideologiti politics akirangon.
So we expected our brothers who are the leaders of the opposition, the government, to plan this boycott properly. You go into the boycott. Remember chess player, you just treat it in chess. How do you play the middle game, which we are in now? And what type of end game do you expect at the end of this exercise? All those things, you do it before you start the game. You plan the boycott, fine. If it goes on for 1 month, what will you be doing after 1 month? If the people were pushing to give you the report, refuse to give you the report, what will you do? For us, we used to plan all those things. As you are fighting with them in parliament, what will the party be doing at the headquarters? How many lawyers are you going to engage? As the other people are fighting in parliament, others are on the street, others are going to the courts to rescue those in the court, others taking them food. All those things you must prepare for them. Don't reach a stage where you are at a loss yourself. You have boycotted, fine. You expect the thing to end in 1 week. It hasn't ended. It's going the second week, it hasn't ended. That time we were the speaker and you are near the same level. Now instead of fighting those people who arrested your people, now we are starting another war with the speaker. Before you start with another war with the speaker, you're also already fighting Najana Nkumbi. Eh? You end up being disorganized yourself because you didn't plan the middle game properly.
Komiti lopeti loka FDC opolo kite Patrick Amuriato Boy nesimoi ebet airiamun kanu eja ikini waikech kanu kamanara kede alungita losene Nairabet anet Anita Mong nesipacha bu ikwenya MPs lwelungitosi ajauta Nairabet ebem ebuningesi aitobo unikesim kanu agiriti aswam nwebeti kesi Nairabet.
Kwa Naiyareit berenu koliswamau na kotoma pakana.
Olap Osuban akesera Naiyareit okarlu kumniare kedikany imuroki uni kesi apoto pedosi aitosom akiringina etwane chem aitetena erete ke Isabele dinoire ngonda loda kwachkwachiti ekingok kalaje ko Amiens ko France.
Kotoma Bolia show amunyelete na rino araibonat regional league na jaikina alarona Bolia show kokumi Bomber Grounds kidin kumi All Stars nepepe kedatu turi Superstars ngesiabu ongetakin enoti kanwe noti arotan kosi opolot ngesi ya untai doles.
Amunyele tinada kwane kepone kidinge timu la tuturi Superstars nepekede All Stars kumi municipality ngeside balaide babude ngeta kin otomado noto noti ora munyelete nada emopira le maikinte be regional league loda duchitolo senene fufa lodere captain lo timu lo kumi All Stars ngeside balebe abolia na ngeside right nina nini ile chamunito bale timu kengesde mami atarike die abulia kake kere nara ilu ipu ngesde jasi keda musungon.
We played 1-1 with the Atuturu. It was a derby and the game is not bad. Isamuno na winning game. The game lo yare jilo. We lost the first game and this is the second game. The cast players I'm forcing my midfielders to play the striking. I have no strikers, but I know the next game I'll be having them.
Solomon Okiro loda rai ngesida loda rai captain loda timula tuturi Superstars ngesida chamunite balada ibe ebulia tosike sap dodo kwa peteni raribe enini kida kirosi nada abulia waina ado brekon ngesida ina kini egemulo nini karo pone angon.
It was really a tough game. We had chances, we didn't capitalize on it. So we had to settle for 1 point. This is the second game. The first game we won versus Barcelona United. Now we drew here, so it's 4 points now. So we are hoping for a game against Mida, at least we collect 3 points.
Ismail Onyu, Lord coach Lord Apollo Kinite timu la tuturi Superstars. Ngesida ichamu tobale velo singesi ainyikoke na iduke ke timu ujokan.
Konyeri satul papoto chamu to alo itibreke na mpangu because of aboli awai ducho ribore na tiono because ngintu ane gogo ngai oreke ko narai lolo timu le abuto rengone mamera kere narai jenjo kopan boys liche somaite ngito so ajasi changeta kinyo ai ngito achamuta ngol ngeta ntemo ina balasa so achamuta ngo mida dumune ngakapa na kere.
Richard Ochom lode red delegate loka fufa right ave dope lode polokiniti kumi All Stars FC ngesida ikoni to bala daibe
we match oloto jok ama ibore ne bakai hooliganism arebota mumu ani bore ngine kote mopiri na pakina sanu angunu orotengo members of parliament ini isho moja akroni kamanara keda Apollo dojo aibika kinotoma pattern eribori wuni eya uneta polotoma politics neba kasi political economical empowerment then a social factor doda nyengo members of parliament ititose politics bon they tite bakirona kerian do bakerian do raikes bon awota ngakena rikesinara mamdo kwa rikese je ndibo na utaskisengari nikiti so a social factor in Europe is very important isesene jo eja kaiti Ronaldo ma metwe lila nyoko pa kolo ngenya misiri gimbe
na roko ma meti mule complaining ai ara bati e petition ma me petition na jai so wabolo te joko chuti ma mera dumute akanga sala na Ronaldo
pipilu kana eje timu lokose la baka Lukumi United amene ka ta depan konye ekoto kesi amone berebo bare sapa berebo buni no strike kada defense ya tais berebo kesi da
Kibo Anoka TV East Martin Opolot Kokumi Municipality Kumi District.
Elama Martin kanwe reporter kangon kwa nane ngesi nanga kinike di IYEMUTO walk aritwa ne ati jo IYEMUTO luibongo kin moibo botu pruche santo monare lo atupuruch akota isinyi ko ikini jo salakiti seseni programs lo TV East etida lo kide.